So for my lesson, I decided to do second grade, and I also wanted to teach throwing and catching. And then so for the first part of my lesson, I would have my students sit right in front of me, and we would activate background knowledge by asking about the correct way to throw and to catch a ball. And then I would have a student come up with me and we would demonstrate that together. And then so for the entirety of the first part, we would just be introducing the lesson. And then so for the second part, I would number my students off. I would have ones and twos. And so I would line them up with flat cones. And so I would have two parallel lines of students. And I would give each pair a ball, and they would throw and catch the ball, and they would practice that together. And so the formative assessment would be for me to walk around and make sure that my students are doing okay and make sure that they know what they're doing. And then so for the last part of my lesson, I would turn on some music so it's a little bit more fun, maybe a little bit more quicker paced. And I would time the students. I would do 30-second rotations, and after every 30-second interval, the students would move to the right one. So only one line of students would move, and so therefore they have different partners every time, and so they get to play with a different person every time. And for the summative assessment, I would walk around and make sure that my students were catching 3 out of 5 of the balls that are thrown, just to make sure that they are getting it, that they're grasping the correct way to throw and catch the balls. And so that's it. Thank you.